Bizee offers LLC formation for $0. No service fee, just a state filing fee. Sounds like a no-brainer, right? Here's what nobody explains clearly: what free actually gets you, what it doesn't, and what you'll realistically spend by the time you have a fully functional LLC. I went through Bizee's entire checkout process, compared every plan, and dug into what real customers are saying, including the complaints. In this video, I'll give you the full honest picture, the real pricing math, the specific things Bizee does well, the things that trip people up, and who this service is genuinely right for. I'll also cover common LLC mistakes at the end, so stick around for that part. Hi, I'm Stacy, and I'm with LLC Buddy. We publish free in-depth guides on forming and running LLCs in all 50 states. Quick ground rule: every formation service charges you the state filing fee on top of their service fee. That fee goes directly to your state. No service fee can waive it. Ranges from around $50 to over $500, depending on where you file. When I say $0 for a business basic plan, that's their fee. The state fee is always on top. Also, full transparency: there are affiliate links in the description. If you use them, we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. That doesn't influence what we say in this review. You'll see we cover the negatives just as thoroughly as the positives. Bizee was founded in 2004 in Houston, Texas, under the name InkFile. They rebranded to Bizee a few years ago. Same team, same platform, same services, just a new name. If you had an InkFile account, it transferred automatically. They've helped form over 1 million businesses, which makes them one of the larger formation services out there. Their Trustpilot rating is around 4.7 out of 5, with over 20,000 reviews. That's one of the highest in this space. So, the reviews are actually very strong. The question isn't whether Bizee is legitimate. It clearly is. The question is whether the free plan gives you what you actually need, or whether you'll end up spending more than you expected once you add the essentials. Bizee has 3 plans. Let me walk you through what each one actually includes, and more importantly, what the free plan doesn't include that you'll probably need. So, here's the math most people miss. The basic plan is free, yes, but it doesn't include an operating agreement or an EIN, both of which most LLC owners end up needing. If you add those as individual extras, you're paying around $110 on top of the state fee. At point, you're in the same ballpark as the standard plan, which includes both plus a banking resolution. If you want to check Bizee's current pricing and compare plans yourself, I've put a direct link in the description box below, along with our full written review. Myth number 1. $0 LLC formation means the whole thing is free. You always pay for the state filing fee. That's unavoidable and ranges from around $50 to over $500. With Bizee's free plan specifically, essential items like an operating agreement and EIN are add-ons that cost extra. The formation filing itself is genuinely free, but your total out-of-pocket will be higher. Always look at the complete checkout total before confirming. These are Bizee's real strengths. Strength number 1. Genuinely free basic formation. No hidden service fee. The basic plan really is $0 for the formation filing. You pay only the state fee. There's no hidden service charge. No bait and switch on the basic tier itself. That's a real thing, and it's one of the reasons Bizee has been popular since the InkFile days. Strength number 2. Strong Trustpilot reviews. 4.7 out of 5. With over 20,000 verified Trustpilot reviews and a 4.7 star average, Bizee has one of the highest ratings in the LLC formation space. The majority of reviews are 5 stars. Customers praise the speed of the process, ease of use, and helpfulness of support staff. That volume of positive feedback is hard to manufacture. Strength number 3. Fast internal processing. Bizee processes your order and submits it to the state within 1 business day of receiving it. That's their internal turnaround. Quick. The total time to get your LC approved depends on your state's processing speed, which can range from a few days to several weeks. But Bizee's part of the process is fast. Strength number 4. Clean, simple checkout with a caveat. The formation wizard is genuinely user-friendly. Step-by-step, plain language, clear instructions. Most people can complete the checkout in under 10 to 15 minutes. However, and I'll cover this in the weaknesses section, the checkout does present add-on services along the way, some of which you may not need. Strength number 5. Free registered agent for the first year on all plans. Every plan, including the free basic, includes a full year of registered agent service at no extra charge. This is required service for every LLC, and getting it for free for year one is a real savings. After year one, renewal is around $119 per year. Strength number six, no monthly fees, no auto renewal on formation packages. The formation packages are one time payments, not subscriptions. There are no monthly charges on the plans themselves. The registered agent service does renew annually, but the formation package itself is paid once and done. This is where Bizee falls short. Weakness number one, check out upsells. Watch carefully. This is the most commonly mentioned issue across independent reviews. As you move through Bizee's checkout, add-on services are presented along the way, and some may come pre-selected or prominently displayed. If you're just going for the free basic plan, you need to pay attention and decline anything you didn't specifically choose. The base service is genuinely free, but the checkout flow is designed to encourage upgrades. Go slowly, read each screen, and review the total before you confirm. Weakness number two, standard processing is low, 3 to 4 weeks. Bizee submits your filing to the state within 1 business day, which is fast. But the state side of things takes time. Standard processing through Bizee typically runs 3 to 4 weeks total. If you need it faster, you can pay extra for expedited filing, around $50 for rush processing, or get it included free with the premium plan. Some states may take even longer, regardless of which service you use. Weakness number three, the free plan is generally bare bones. The basic plan gets your articles of organization filed and gives you a registered agent. That's it for the essentials. No operating agreement, no EIN, no expedited processing. If you know exactly what you need and are comfortable handling the extras yourself, this works. But if you're a first timer expecting a complete LLC setup for $0, you'll end up paying for add-ons or will be missing important documents. Weakness number four, email support can be slow. Phone support is generally responsive. Multiple reviewers praise the staff by name. But the email support is a different story. Some reviewers and independent testers report waiting several days for email responses, and in some cases, receiving forms replies that don't directly address their question. If you need help, calling tends to get better results than emailing. Weakness number five, tax consultation is outsourced. Every Bizee plan includes a business tax consultation, which sounds valuable. But according to some reviewers and at least one independent analysis, this consultation is provided by a third-party tax firm, not Bizee staff. And some customers report that it can feel more like a sales pitch for that firm's paid services than genuine tax guidance. It may still be useful, but go in with realistic expectations. Myth 2. A more expensive formation package gives your LLC better legal protection. Generally speaking, your legal protection comes from the LLC structure itself and how you maintain it, not from which plan or service you use to file. A pricier package adds convenience features, but it doesn't inherently make your LLC more legally protected. Consult an attorney if you have questions about your specific situation. So, who is Bizee best for? Bizee is a strong fit if you are on a tight budget and want the lowest possible upfront cost to get your LLC filed. Are comfortable handling your EIN yourself through the IRS and sourcing an operating agreement template separately. Want a fast, simple checkout process and don't mind watching for upsells. Want a service with a strong track record, over 1 million businesses formed, and a 4.7-star Trustpilot rating. Prefer one-time plan payments with no monthly subscription on the formation itself. Bizee probably isn't the best fit if you want everything bundled. Operating agreement, EIN, registered agent, in one package without surprise add-on costs. Other services offer this at a flat price. Need fast turnaround. Bizee standard processing is 3 to 4 weeks. If speed matters, you'll pay extra for expediting. Value privacy protection. Bizee does not emphasize privacy the way some competitors do. Your personal information may be used in filings and shared with marketing partners. Need legal services. Bizee is not a law firm and doesn't offer attorney consultations or legal document review. Here are a few examples. You're a freelance photographer and you just need a basic LLC to separate personal and business liability. Budget is under $100 total. Business free basic plan plus your state fee gets your articles of organization filed and gives you a registered agent for a year. Get your EIN from the IRS yourself for free. Use a free operating agreement template from your state Secretary of State website or a legal resource site. Total cost? Just the state filing fee. That's a genuinely good deal if you're willing to do a bit of the work yourself. If that sounds like your situation, I've linked Bizee in the description, and our full written review at lcbody.com walks through everything step by step. Second example. You and a co-founder are starting a business and want a proper operating agreement, EIN, and registered agent all handled for you. Bizee's standard plan at around $199 includes all of that. Compare this to a competitor's flat price package. The total cost may be similar, but what's included differs. Know what you're getting before you buy. For non-US residents, if you're outside the US and forming a US LC, be extra careful. Some BBB reviews from international customers report difficulties with EIN processing and filing accuracy when addresses or names are entered incorrectly. If you're non-US, consider a service that specifically specializes in international clients and has a strong track record with the IRS Form SS4 fax or mail process. Bizee can work, but verify every detail of your filing before it's submitted. Myth 3. You have to live in a state to form an LLC there. You can form in any state regardless of where you live. But if you operate in your home state, you'll likely need to register as a foreign LLC there too, which means double the fees, double the filings, and a registered agent in each state. For most small businesses, forming in your home state is simpler and cheaper. Here are 5 mistakes that trip people up. Mistake number 1. Not reviewing the full checkout total before confirming. This is specific to Bizee, but applies to any service with add-ons during checkout. Before you hit the final confirm button, review every line item. If something is there that you didn't specifically choose, remove it. The base service is free, but add-ons can quietly increase your total. Mistake number 2. Skipping the operating agreement. Most attorneys and business advisors recommend that even single-member LLCs have an operating agreement. Many banks require it to open a business account. It helps strengthen the legal separation between you and your business. Business free plan doesn't include one. You can add it for around $40 or use a free template and have an attorney review it. Mistake 3. Forgetting about the registered agent renewal. Year 1 is free. Year 2? It's around $119. If you don't renew and don't appoint a new agent, your state may impose penalties or in some cases, administratively dissolve your LLC. Set a calendar reminder well before your renewal date. Either renew, switch agents, or appoint yourself if your state allows it. Mistake 4. Paying for an EIN when you get it for free. Bizee charges around $70 for EIN filing on the basic plan. You can get an EIN from the IRS directly for free. It typically takes 5 to 10 minutes online. Unless you're a non-US resident who can't use the online system, there's no reason to pay for this. Myth 4. Once my LLC is formed, I'm done with paperwork. Annual reports, tax filings, maintaining your registered agent, updating your information when things change. These are ongoing responsibilities for the entire life of your LLC. Mistake 5. Mixing personal and business bank accounts. One of the main reasons form an LLC is liability protection, creating a legal separation between personal and business assets. Mixing personal and business funds can weaken the separation. In some cases, courts have allowed creditors to go after an owner's personal assets when finances weren't kept separate. Open a dedicated business bank account as soon as your LLC is approved. Here are the cost and time expectations for the first and second year. Screenshot it. Processing time depends mostly on your state. Bizee submits within 1 business day. State approval typically takes 3 to 4 weeks at standard speed. Expedited filing costs extra on the basic and standard plans, or is included free with the premium plan. State-specific surprises to watch for. California charges an additional $800 annual franchise tax for LLCs, due within the first few months of formation. New York requires you to publish a notice in local newspapers, which can cost several $100s. Every state has its quirks. We cover all of them at lcbuddy.com. Bizee's refund policy has a $30 cancellation fee, even if you cancel within 24 hours. Once your filing has been submitted to the state or third-party payments have been forwarded, those portions generally aren't refundable. Make sure you're ready before you confirm your order. Before you go, here's your checklist. Screenshot it or grab the printable version at lcbuddy.com. Bottom line, Bizee is one of the most affordable ways to get an LC filed. The free basic plan is genuinely free for the formation itself. No tricks on that front. They have strong customer reviews, fast internal processing, and a clean, easy to use platform. The trade offs are real though. The free plan is bare bones. No operating agreement, no EIN. The checkout pushes add ons. Standard processing is on the slower side. Email support can lag, and the tax consultation is outsourced. If you go in knowing all of that, and especially if you're willing to handle the EIN yourself and source your own operating agreement, Business Free Plan is hard to beat on pure cost. For full written review of Bizee, including the link to get started, side-by-side comparisons with other services, state-by-state guides, and a printable checklist are all free at lcbuddy.com. Everything you need is in the description box below. If this saved you time or helped you make a decision, a like or subscribe helps us keep making these. Thanks for watching and good luck with your LC.